Hello everyone. The former President Jacob Zuma has added his voice in paying tribute to Prince Buthelezi, the founder of the IFP and the traditional Prime Minister of the Zulu monarch and nation. Zuma only had praises for Buthelezi for his peacemaking role and the diligent service he rendered to the Zulu monarch until his death. Zuma aired his deepest condolences via statement on Sunday evening. At the time of Buthelezi's passing, Zuma had just returned from Eswatini, where he was a guest during the kingdom's celebration of 55 years of independence from Britain. Jacob Zuma has said that Buthelezi has played a role in ending the political violence that ravaged KwaZulu-Natal in the late 80s and early 90s. The violence was between the IFP supporters and the ANC-aligned DF members who were fighting to dominate the political space in the province. Zuma said, "History will never be erased on the cooperation of Umtwana waphindangene Buthelezi with President Zuma as he was trying to restore lasting peace during the violent times in KwaZulu-Natal, largely between the supporters of the ANC and the IFP. Prince Buthelezi should be remembered as the man who played a remarkable role in supporting the royal monarch. He also served as Undunankulu of the Zulu nation until his last day." Furthermore, Zuma said Buthelezi wished to have his ANC membership restored was based on the belief that the black people must work together and defy the apartheid legacy, which always sought to divide them. We will remember Prince Buthelezi as a man who, for quite a while, wanted his membership of the ANC to be restored, as one of those who served as an ANC member for the long time. Those utterances from Umtwana meant a lot in terms of his political beliefs and understanding the needs towards working for the black people to work together, given the manner in which apartheid machinery was aimed at dividing the black people so that they could not be united as a huge majority in the country. Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.